Hi, I'm Minal Pawar, and I am really very excited about the business analyst role at ATC. And like talking about my professional experience, I am a recent graduate mas- from University of Colorado Boulder, and I have pursued master's degree in data science. And before that, I did my bachelor's in electronics engineering from Mumbai University. And I have about 4 years of experience as data analyst and data scientist, both in India and in USA. So, like back in India, while I was doing my undergrad, I got an opportunity to work as an intern at a firm where I was working with the ML models, the classification ML models, where I use logistic regression, which was helping them to predict the accuracy. And I have also handled the data processing and EDA, which in turn made SQL queries run faster. Like after that, I got an opportunity to work as an full-time employee with Codesfy and Ipsos Private Limited, where I have used NLP techniques such as GPT and BERT, where it basically analyze the customer reviews and which help the product and like support experience. And your it basically was helping to increase the customer ratings. And also I have handled the big survey datas around like 5,000 plus surveys, which help uh, where I have automated the validation process like using Python and SQL, which help the teams to deliver the reports to the clients which were more accurate and which were more fast. And like most recently in USA, I got an opportunity to work with Parley Finance. So here, I helped them to build them the ML models, which basically recommend the best loan options to customers. And here, the customer satisfaction increased. So that was what we were targeting on. And now like we're talking about the technical and analytical skills, so I'm very much confident about the Python and SQL because I have used this to analyze and transform the data. And also I have built the dashboards using uh, the tools such as Power BI and Tableau. So, and also I have like experience with the cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, and GCP, which help to manage the data workflows. So, more importantly, what I do is I combine all these tools with a strong understanding of business needs and making sure that the data insights which I am providing are more clear and are helping the company to grow faster. Now, like talking about the projects which I have worked on, like in one of my recent academic project, I have built cloud data a cloud-based data transformation tool, which basically is used by the non-technical people such as researchers or the analyst. So here what they do is they will be typing their commands in plain basic English, and the system will adopt it, like understand it using NLP techniques, and will perform that commands and try to give outputs as per the commands. So this and here the people or the users the like for them it was very easy to get the real time insights and without in like real need to code it. So now talking about the another project which was obesity risk estimation. So here I have used SQL, which I where I've used that particular uh, uh, language to clean and explore the health data, which was of around 2,000 plus individuals. And here I wrote the queries like to group and analyze the data by demographics and its behaviors. Uh, and here we targeted on the five key factors which were risking the obesity. And Now, talking about the stakeholder communication, I have worked closely with both technical and non-technical marketing teams, where I tried like explaining them in simple and without non-technical technical language. And here I focus more on telling them story using data or uh, charts like by uh, dashboards and simple explanation so that they can understand what exactly the numbers are in the data and what actions they can take ahead. Here I understand that the communication is the key like factor here when it comes to business analysis, and so I try that my the data driven insights are very easy for decision making. And now talking about the problem which I have faced, so at Ipsos I faced a messy data challenge where the data set had like very missing values and information was inconsistent. So instead of just getting overwhelmed or panicking, I took a step by step approach where I first explored the data set, I cleaned it with Python scripts, and I built a tracking system so that the team understand what the process is and what the progress is. So this helped me to understand how to be calm and how to act on it while such situations. And yeah, so I strongly believe that I am a strong candidate because I combine like deep technical skills with the business insights, and I am not only good at working with the data, but I also know how to use this data to solve the real business problems and also to communicate it clearly. So, yeah, I am very excited about this role at ATC because it gives me a chance to working with the problems and collaborate with the multifunctional, cross-functional teams and with the clients. So, yeah.